Good morning from a 5-star Hilton hotel here in Guadalajara. Today, well, I'm hungover day, and we're gonna go ahead and try some Mexican breakfast over here to go ahead and cure that. So we're gonna make our way over to the restaurant, and we're gonna see what Mexican breakfast is like at a 5-star hotel here in Guadalajara. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
So this is the executive floor. I guess I should give you guys a little bit of a tour before we go down there, because this part is very nice. So when you're on this floor, before COVID, they'll have snacks and drinks here, and then around 6 to 8 o'clock you get complimentary drinks. All you have to do is be a Hilton Diamond member, and you get upgraded like that. But nowadays, it's a bit of a ghost town, we can say. Yeah, looks like an abandoned place in a video game. Let's make our way downstairs and go straight to the food. That was quick. We are going to the lobby. Oh shit, I forgot my mask. No, stop. Oh boy. Alright, we're gonna see if I can sneak into the restaurant without the mask. There you go. Or not. Let's just go back to the room. Oh, I need the key. Yeah, let's go get the mask and come back. Back in action. Check out the mega big lobby here. I must say, it's pretty cool. They have an ATM over here. Let me show you that, and then we're gonna go here in the restaurant. In the meantime, this is Jalisco, where tequila is made. So they have boatloads of the stuff. And it sounds like it's really loud inside there. Check it out, you got an ATM and a UK style phone booth. Alright, let's get this vlog started. Let's go here and eat. So at least that side is empty. I think they have a birthday party over there. Buenos días, para México. Sí.
Una persona de este lado.
Adelante, solo de este lado, por favor.
¿Para qué? Alright. ¿Hay una fiesta en el otro lado?
¿Mande?
¿Hay una fiesta en el otro lado?
Pues es una
reunión.
cumpleaños.
Okay. Aquí me pongo esta. Gracias. Oh, I got this huge table for me. Sí, cómo no.
Solo es una persona,
Sí,
¿verdad?
solo soy yo para esta mesota.
¿Le ofrezco café?
No, ¿qué jugos tienen?
Verde y naranja.
Uno de los dos, por favor.
Sí.
Gracias.
Café, ¿no?
A ver.
Combinado, ¿verdad?
Sí, uno de los dos, uno verde y uno de naranja, por favor. Sure, come super fuel. What do we have when we unwrap this? Alright. Esta es la
Puede
caja.
ser menú impreso o de un solo uso, el que usted puso.
Ok.
O puede tomarlo de aquí el menú QR.
Tienen las chilaquiles estas mexicanas
Ajá.
con Unas que vi que me dan dos menús, me dan una cartica pequeñita que tiene unas chilaquiles ahí, con
¿Sí?
queso.
¿Chilaquiles rojos o verdes? ¿Cómo los prefieren?
Verdes, por favor, con
gusto.
pollo
Con gusto.
y queso por encima, por favor.
¿Huevo o sin huevo?
A lo mexicana, es estilo mexicano
Ok. ¿Y con pollo? ¿Sin pollo?
con pollo, por favor.
Con gusto. Entonces lo traemos.
Y por favor,
de
para ver,
naranja?
¿qué más tienen aquí así mexicano? ¿Solo las chilaquiles?
Bueno, los chilaquiles, le puedo hacer unos huevos embodegados.
¿Eso es mexicano?
Ajá.
Ah, bueno, uno de esos también, por favor.
Con gusto, claro.
Gracias, hermano. Alrighty, so, well, now I can take the mask off, I forgot. When you're on the table, it's okay. We're gonna have the chilaquiles. It's a Mexican breakfast and huevos embagonados, or something like that. Yeah, he says something like that. It's a tough word. This seems to be the staple here in hotels in Mexico for the juice options. They always have orange juice and a green juice. And they just call this a green juice. Not sure what's in there, but I don't know, probably some celery. It's good though. They put orange juice in there. It's not exactly what I want when I'm hungover, but whatever, man. Get the vitamins in, balance things out. No, gracias, estoy bien.
¿Algún parecito? Bueno, este es típico, si quiere probar un virtito.
Oh, este es típico de acá.
Así
Ah,
es.
bueno, eso sí lo probé entonces. Ah, los famosos panes acá de Jalisco.
Virote.
Virotes le llaman. Ok, muchas gracias.
Para servirle, señor.
Guys, so Guadalajara is known for these breads. And, well, I've had them in the lonches and tortas. And they can rival any Mexican baguette. They're that good. And here he gave me the little mini version, so we're gonna start off with a little bread review, I guess. Nice and crispy. And they're good, you know. This is a solidly good baguette, that's what it is. If Sophie was here, she'll probably be able to say a lot more. I've been given sauces, my food is almost here. So we have a red, a green kind of guacamole sauce. The red must be tomato. And then, oh, this is like a Mexican salad sauce over here. I like this, it has avocado in it. Have a look at this deliciousness. So these are the chilaquiles. They're like tortilla chips. We have some frijoles, beans, and tomato. And we have cheese. This looks like the local cheese from Guadalajara, panela. We're gonna give all this a go. We have some melted cheese on top here. Man, that looks good. That looks really, 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 really good right now. And this is exactly what I wanted. I think I might order another plate. This right here, this is darn good. We're gonna make it better and add this all around. Not sure if it's hot or not or spicy, but we're gonna find out. And if it is, even better. Bam. Avocado kind of cream sauce. Hoping you guys can hear me too. There's a lot of people in here right now. Looks more colorful. I want a big piece of chips, man. Alright, we'll go with that. Guys, Mexican breakfast, heaven on earth. It's like a big plate of nachos, but you have a lot more going on in there. Now, you can have it with a red or a green sauce. I chose the green sauce. Wow. That is good. When you guys visit Mexico, definitely get yourself some chilaquiles. This is the panela cheese. It's good. It's fresh. It's fresh cheese. It's almost like cottage cheese.
Los huevos embodegados son un par de huevos estrellados dentro de una tortilla recién hecha de maíz con un toque de queso panela, que es un queso regional de aquí de Guadalajara. Ese queso es muy light, bastante rico y tiene una consistencia diferente a cualquier otro queso. Que lo disfrute.
Muchas gracias, hermano.
Para servirle.
All right. Let's smash the like button for his explanation, guys. It was perfect, and I'm glad I ordered this because I've never seen it. The egg is cooked into this tortilla, and then he gave the explanation there of the panela cheese. So yeah, a local cheese. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna finish these chilaquiles because man, these are just the bomb. And then we're gonna try this egg. It is now time to try something completely new over here. The huevo embogado. I think I got it right that time. Smells nice and crispy and fried. I like that. Not quite sure how I'm supposed to have it, so I'm just gonna bite into it. I'm loving this. The flavor completely surprised me. Now, I've been given a sauce to add to it, but first I want to try without the sauce. It looks like the green sauce that they put on the chilaquiles. We're gonna try it with this on. All right, I think that'll do the trick. Get it with the sauce for sure. Delicious. Gonna add some more sauce. Because sauce is life, guys. Sauce is life. And we're gonna bite right here in the center, right where the egg is. That's it right there. And let's add the cheese. It's very busy right now. Round two, guys. This one looks even better. I think they put 2 eggs in it. Yeah, you guys have to try this. On a scale of 1 through 10, I'll give it an 8.5. It's something really good. And the chilaquiles, man, those get a 9. That was just solidly good stuff, melted cheese everywhere. But this surprised me even more, man. You don't expect the taste that you get from it. Yep, they put 2 eggs in it. Check out the receipt, guys. Basically, it's just like they call it a buffet, and it's 300 Mexican pesos. That's $15 USD for all the food we had, and probably could have ordered a lot more, but I'm good right now. I'm stuffed, man. No, gracias a usted. Que tenga un buen día. Alright, let's make our way out, guys. It's really loud right now. There's a lot of people. Oh man. Hasta luego, caballero. Gracias por todo. Muy rico y sabroso. Alrighty, guys. That was an A+ breakfast. I'm a little less hungover now. That was the goal, and that's exactly what that kind of food did. That was some delicious stuff. The vlog is not over. I'm gonna come back at 6. They have like the little lounge thing. Is basically all you can drink and whatever foods they have, like small plates, for 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and do that later. I'm gonna go to the room and chillax for a little bit. Oh, we'll hit the gym up. A little short visit to the gym and get a little hungrier, and then meet you guys downstairs to see what they have at night. There's this amazing feeling when you stay at these hotels and you come back and then everything is done. Kind of like when you're a little kid. Completely forgot about it, but it's nice that everything is, well, prepared. Mainly the bed, it just makes you feel good. But yeah, this is the room, by the way. Time to watch some football. A question I always get is, how do I eat so much and still maintain myself? Well, the answer is simple. There's no secret to it. You have to put some work in the gym, and that's what's gonna happen now. And maybe after, I'll take a dip in this pool. You know, it's probably like 35 degrees outside in Guadalajara right now. I'm back now for the dinner to see what they have. Gracias, amigo.
¿por qué le gustaría?
¿Cuáles son las opciones que vienen?
Ajá, cerveza, vino tinto, refrescos.
Vino tinto, por favor.
¿Vino tinto?
Sí, por favor.
Yo te la traigo en el pie.
Gracias, hermano. Alrighty, so yeah, you get beers, wine, and sodas, he said. And they're supposed to have some small plates, so I want to see exactly what those are. It's good. Medium bodied. Check it out. I've been given Asian food. We have fried rice. Looks like some sort of orange chicken. And, well, I want to call them spring rolls. Yeah, it's a spring roll. Bam. Or a spring rectangle. Tasty and pretty hot. I believe it just came out. It's still very crispy. Time to sample the orange chicken over here in Guadalajara. Not bad. A bit hard. Makes me feel like maybe they prepared this earlier or yesterday, which is what I wonder sometimes at these lounges, is what they kind of give sometimes. Like, they always change it and it's really random things. So maybe like they had a lot of this and they give that. That's how I feel sometimes. I don't know if I'm just overthinking too much. Nonetheless, let's try out the fried rice. It's decent. It's decent, you know. I believe there's a huge Chinese community here in Guadalajara. If you go in the center or even other parts, you're gonna see a China buffet almost everywhere. That's gonna wrap things up here from the 5-star hotel in Guadalajara. The Mexican breakfast, the chilaquiles, delicious. A+. The fried rice with the bone-breaking chicken, I won't be repeating. Anyway, here's my room. And well, I'm gonna relax for a bit and just end this video here. Hope you liked it and catch you on the next one.